Number 1. Launch a website. Regardless of what you do on the web, this is the place everything starts. In case you need to make money while you sleep, you need an online presence, and that implies having a site. Utilize your site to develop a brand name that individuals perceive and, in doing as such, trust. This is the platform to basically any effective computerized and enables you to make a vehicle that can possibly create easy revenue. Beginning a site is inexpensive and simple to set up. Utilizing innovation suppliers, for example, GoDaddy and WordPress, make the startup prepare torment-free so you can get on with the real work, which is making substance and sharing data that others will discover valuable. This is an extraordinary approach to make money while you sleep and in the meantime enjoy a hobby. Offer what you know in light of the fact that there is an enormous market accessible, simply asking for you to take a bit of the pie. Number 2. Make YouTube video. Ordinary individuals like you and me are profiting on you. Each time somebody watches one of your videos, promotions can show up and you can profit from those advertisements. The way to getting to be plainly effective with YouTube is building a sufficiently extensive endorser and fan base. This can take a great deal of time in advance, however, once your videos are live there is potential for you to make automated revenue from every video inconclusively. Considering you won't be able to make money while you sleep from just a few videos, so be set up to make more than 100 recordings in case you truly need this to take off. Number 3. Investing in stocks. We know, it doesn't sound fun by any means. It might even sound somewhat exhausting. Yet, consider it like this. You could genuinely go to bed with $0 and wake up to find that your stock hit a big stake. You won't really play a part in running the organization, however, you will turn out to be the part and make money while you sleep too. Number 4. Pay all debts. It may not bode well now, but rather when you consider it, paying of obligation is an extraordinary approach to earn the cash you would have lost to included premium interest over time. Also, certain banks will pay you, in enthusiasm, for keeping up a specific level in your investment account. Number 5. Selling things on eBay. Do you have an old work area in your room that is consuming up space? Or, on the other hand, shouldn't something be done about a scaled-down refrigerator from your dormitory days? All things considered, one lady's waste is another lady's fortune. Have a go at selling these things online on eBay or other websites to make money while you sleep. Number 6. Purchase a vending machine business. A fruitful vending machine business can be an extraordinary approach to make money while you sleep. The key is to locate the correct spots to introduce your vending machines. Check with littler physical organizations that have more than 100 workers in the building once a day, and check whether they have a requirement for vending machines. Ask those workers what things they like to have in the vending machine and after that stock likewise. Number 7. Make mobile app. In case you're a bit geek and can think of someone of kind thoughts for mobile applications, or enhance a current application that will enable individuals to improve their lives, you may arrive yourself an awesome wellspring of automated revenue. Each application on your telephone is profiting for some person, someplace. For example, Joel made over $1 million from his iFart application. Let's not discuss the silly cash that Angry Birds acquired. While these are the special cases, there are a lot of individuals making a large number of dollars every month with their mobile applications. Number 8. Lease your car for ad space. How about I tell you, you can make money while you sleep by driving your car and not have to pick up any passengers. By enabling organizations to put notices on your cars, you can acquire a couple of $100 every month essentially by driving your car around town. Number 9. House or pet sitting. One of the easiest approaches to actually make money while you sleep is my house and pet sitting. You need to live and rest someplace, so why not get paid to remain at another person's home or potentially pet sit while they're in the midst of some recreation? Given there are no absurd home upkeep desires, house or pet sitting can be an awesome approach to put some additional pay in your pocket. While not absolutely inactive, it beats getting a job and is pretty dang simple. Number 10. Lease your stuff. A large number of individuals consistently are hoping to sell any kinds of things. eBay can be an extraordinary place to publicize your things for lease. Here are a few thoughts on items that you could lease: ladders, party tents, tables and seats, utility trailers, log splitters, cutting tools, snowmobiles, and TV. You can even sell your car when you are not utilizing it with an organization like Turo. Number 11. Shared lending. This is the place you can advance other individuals' cash who don't fit the bill for customary financing. With venture returns frequently in the 6 to 10% territory, contributing cash with an organization like Lending Club can get you considerably higher pay outcomes rather than an investment bank. Number 12. Escape debt. The less cash you're paying in interest to loan creditors, the more cash you have in your pocket every month. Discuss a basic type of easy revenue. Escaping debt rapidly can expand your salary considerably more since you're never again paying interest to loan creditors every. Number 13. Lease a room in your house. Make money while you sleep. Do you have an additional room that you once in a while utilize? Why not lease it out to somebody searching for a short-term rental room? There are a great many individuals utilizing Airbnb to discover a place to stay rather than staying at expensive hotels, plus it's an easier way to make money while you sleep too. While this is not by any means easy revenue, it can take a little in advance work, yet the profits can be stunning. In case you wind up giving this a shot, consider getting a housekeeper to limit the measure of time you spend on transitioning, starting with one guest then on to the next.